Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, what's going on? I hope you guys are doing fine. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be unboxing the GoPro Hero 8. So when you guys want to know where I bought it, well, I bought it in Digital Mall Petaling Jaya, and I bought it from this company. Yeah, wait, back the besar weh. So yes, there's a lot of things inside here. So without any further delays, let's get started. Woo! Hello guys, I'm back. So yeah, I mean Leo's Com Trading Sendiran Berhad. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is obviously the beast, the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So this is obviously the main thing that I want to show you guys, that I'll be unboxing in a few moments, in a few moments. And you gotta have this, you know, this is the, I don't know which company is this, but yeah, it says here 3-way monopod stand mini tripod. You see? Yeah, it's 3-way monopod. Okay, so that's the second thing. Don't be surprised what I'm about to show you. Dun, dun, dun. The case, the GoPro bag, guys. This is just massive. Yeah, you know why there's a hole there? Because I unboxed it at the shop just now. So yeah, and yeah, in this hole too as well. So yeah, you can fit three. You can fit in 3 GoPros here. There's 1, there's 2, and there's, yeah. I mean there's this hole, another one right here. You can fit 3 GoPros here, guys. It's just amazing. Right, let's just put this here. Alright, so if you guys are wondering what memory card I bought, is obviously this. Yeah, so this memory card is already in the GoPro itself. So yeah, I bought the SanDisk Extreme, yeah, 128 gig. Sorry. And then, well, I bought these as well. The battery charger. I don't know what company is this. Yeah, I think this company is the same as this. You see? Yeah, it's the same. The logo, yep, it's the same. It's the same company, guys. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see here, for Hero 2018 567. Yeah, you can see that clearly stated that. Alright, so that's another one. And I bought these two. The suction mouse. So you guys are wondering why I bought these two, right? So I bought these two because I want to use it in my flight, you know, for my cockpit recording. You know, one facing me inside the cockpit, and one is facing wherever I go. I mean, I'm not asking for trouble, but in case there's an emergency, or you know, I mean, investigators, at least I have a solid proof to show them, I mean, what's going on, you know, inside. So these are the things that I bought at Leo's Com Trading Sendiran Berhad. The total for all of this, it's 2,067 ringgit. Yes. The GoPro itself cost about 1,879 ringgit, and the so if you buy the GoPro, what did you get? So if you go buy the GoPro 8 at about 1,879 ringgit, you'll get, yeah, the GoPro itself. You get this, the monopod, the bag. This is what I get. I mean, they gave me this bag. They gave me this, and you get 1 extra free battery, which is from this company. Yeah, because I bought it to dischargeable as well, because I'm not going to need another battery for my Hero 7, which I'm using it to record this video. And the tempered glass. Yeah, the tempered glass behind. So without any further delays, I'm gonna unbox the GoPro 8 and let's do it. So guys, this is the beast of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Alright, so I just unboxed it. Yeah, you are wondering, there used to be a there's a blue line here because I opened it at the shop when I bought. So yeah, there you go. So what you'll get inside this white box. So first of all, yeah, you need to open it from the back. I mean, let's just take out the GoPro first. Yep, it's like normal, isn't it? You just take it out. Alright. There you go. The beast has been removed. Alright, so what do you get inside this box? So yeah, I mean, but before that, why I purchased the GoPro Hero 8 is because I need two GoPros. So this is why you see the Hypersmooth 2.0, and beside of the box it has better features. Yeah, better features. I mean, I'm not going to explain it one by one, but you guys know it. So oops. Like he didn't hit the beast. So I'll get back to the beast later. Let's just see what's inside the box. Oh, see, there's a sticker, GoPro sticker, original, and there's a neat help guide, I would say. And here, I don't know what's this. I didn't get this during the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Oh, it's a free plus unlimited cloud. Oh, okay, yeah. GoPro footage for, you know, like internet cloud or something. So this is how you, the steps to install the GoPro app. And last but not least is the GoPro manual book. It's got lots and lots of language inside it. So I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm back guys, I'm back. So inside the box, seriously, they only give this. Well, this is the wire to charge the GoPro, and this is the mount, the suction. No, this is a sticker mount or something. But there's only one. I mean, the Hero 7 Black, they give two. One is flat and one is oval. Right? Yeah, it's okay. I don't need this. Well, this one is only to put on your helmet. So that's it for the unbox for this beast. Let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. It's on. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, the feature of the GoPro, it's not that much difference, but yeah, it has lots of the UI, the user interface is much more different than the 7 Hero Black. As you can see, the what do you call it, the screw is totally different than the Hero 7 Black. You know, I have it mine, and like it's my battery is the battery is 19%. So let's just switch off. Done. So let's put all this thing back together and let's unbox the other stuff. Alright, bye bye. Let's unbox that stuff. Hi. So next thing, let's take a look at the bag here. It's just massive. It's so big. So I'm just going to leave the bag here and let's unbox the rechargeable battery. Alright. Now how do I do this shit? Alright, so alright, let's take a look. I haven't taken a look at this thing since I bought. Okay, it's good. Look at that. It's amazing. You have the cable, the battery, two batteries, the chargeable device. Is where you put the battery on. Huh? So yeah, I mean, this is it. Yeah, I mean the box is not well packed. Packaging is much more important. I don't need these anymore. So take these out. You know, 1, 2, yeah. Take these two out because there's 2 batteries, right? So you can just fit in like that. This one too, and you don't need these. So you guys must be wondering, this GoPro right here, ta-da! Fits perfectly, lads. You see, it fits perfectly in the box, in the GoPro case. So you guys must be wondering, what is this long stretch hole for? Well, it's obviously for this. Yeah, I opened it already, so let's take it out. Whoa, this is so amazing. Look at this. It's better than the original one. I hope so. Yeah. See? It's the same. Nah, panjang mana kau nak? Aku cakap aku panjang mana? Ha. Longgar. Tak apa, longgar kita boleh ketatkan, guys. See? It's longgar. Don't worry, we can tighten up. Is it loose? Yeah, don't worry, we can tighten it up. See? Ini. So, wait. So, it's too tight. Alright, so there we go. And this one, loosen a bit. And we can, oh, well, it's the same. We need, there's always a button here for you to click it. You know, like lock it up. Not to forget, sorry, not to forget is this tripod stand. Yeah, I mean, this thing can also go like this. Yeah, can stand like that, but it will drop somehow. So you might want to need this. Yeah, it's a stand, so you can, you know, like yeah, it's just like normal. You can, yeah. Ta-da! Alright, so close it back. It's the same thing. Put it back inside. Screw it. Press this button. Oh. And there you go. It fits perfectly. I would say. There you go. That's it. That's it. I'm not going to unpack this suction mount yet because I'm going to use this in a flight. In my flight, when I do my flight training. You see, it's something like that. You see there? Yeah. So guys, that's it for today's unboxing and review about the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So for more info regarding the GoPro, you can always go to this shop here. You see, there's a shop in Digital Mall. Let's see, there's Ampang Park, Digital Mall, and E-Mart, BTS. So I'm just joking. Yeah, so this is where I bought all of the stuff at about 2,067 ringgit. So yeah, this is all I bought. So that's it for today, and I hope you like my video. Click the subscribe button for more videos, and give this video a thumbs up, and comment below for if there's anything that I'm lack with that I can improve my video in the future. And I'll say thank you so much. Last but not least, last thing I want to tell you guys, a good pilot is always learning. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Assalamualaikum.